Oh hi guys, so it is very late in the night time. It's currently midnight and I just woke up because I'm bored and I'm just really sleepy but I'm bored. So I decided we're gonna open the Pop-It blind bags that I just got, like this. Also this with this stuff, also this, and this one. So first we're gonna open this one. This kind of looks cool. So we're gonna open it in the right way with the scissors in it. Okay. So I will just put it like this so you can see what I'm cutting. Okay, it's open. OMG! It's not what I think it is. It is a boba and it's so cute. It's like a milk tea too. We're gonna put that there. And my trash is in right over there first. Next is this one. Oops, we open it. I'm scared. I'm nervous. OMG. I just hatched a legendary. I know it's a legendary because a lot of people say this is a legendary. This is my dream fidget. Finally, now I got it. So we're gonna put it here. We already have two. Next is this one. I'm nervous. I'm nervous what kind of puppet I would get. I miss the scissors, the drawing of the scissors because it was so hard to cut. OMG, my second dream fidget. We have three now. Next is this one, and then this will be like the last. I think I wanna open this first. So let's go. Okay, let's open. OMG, a circle puppet which is so cute. I always wanted this puppet. OMG, also this, I always wanted this puppet too. Next we have this one, which is a cute shape. Next, the other puppet I always wanted, the purple one. Next we have, this is so cute. Love that we have this. OMG. It is this one, it's so cute. Like I always wanted a rainbow heart puppet. But this is cute too. This is so small, it's cute. Next we're gonna open the last one. Okay. OMG, another legendary, a lamb. The lamb is freaking cute. It is so cute right now. What do we got next? Our rainbow square puppet. I always wanted this one. Okay, we're gonna put it in here. Wait, what? Another rainbow puppet. It's okay. At least they're nice. So, twinnies. Next is the last is a rainbow unicorn. Oh my god. So I got a lot of puppets. I have 3 more here. Okay, so it's here. 2 of them has holes. This is my very first puppet with 2 holes because you know why? I got this since 2020, and this one, RIP puppet. So we're gonna count my puppets. So, oh my god, karma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait, what? I got 16 puppets. This is so cool. Oops. Okay. So I'm gonna throw the trash. Be back. Alright, I'm done. So I'm not really gonna stop the video yet, but I'm gonna do an ASMR of popping my puppets. So let's go. Peas. Whoop. This is the yellow one, which is very cute. This is like a good idea, but I won't really do it like here's yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, like a beating. But I won't really do it because this is brand new. Next we have Bobo puppet, which you can call it a milk tea. So the puppet what I used to be, I'm gonna put it right over here. Next we have the lamb, my favorite, the legendary. It's so cool to pop, and this is the cutest puppet I ever had when I opened this DIY puppet blind bags. I'm popping the eye. So here's the back. Now we're gonna put it there. Next, what kind of puppet should we get? Maybe this one. It is so satisfying to pop. Like, I really like this. Okay. Next we have this blue puppet, the circle with 2 holes, which you already guys know that. Let's put it there. Next we have this circle one. Actually, they almost look like the same color. Now we're gonna put that there. Next is this. Oh my god, this is so cool. Next we have these. My favorite one. Actually, this is not like really a legendary. It just looks like our legendary to me because it's so cute. Next we have the rainbow unicorn. This is so fun to pop. Okay, put that in there. Let's get the square puppet. And pop. Pop in here. Next we have the other one. Also guys, you have to save money because 2 months it's Christmas right now. Yeah, so put that there. Next we have this. I love this. The style is so cute. Okay. Next we have this one, which is my one of my favorite. Oops. Okay. This is so fun. Okay. Next we have this. My favorite. So bye guys, I hope you like this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.